Theta 45 predicted the closing price of Mullen Automotive Incorporated over the last 5 trading days. The predicted closing price is shown in white. The actual closing price is shown in orange. This week, there was an opportunity to buy at Theta 45's recommended trading signal of 75 on April 3rd, giving you an opportunity to sell higher the following trading day. Download Theta 45 on your mobile device and backtest any stock over the last 60 trading days. This is the stock price prediction and recommended buy price for Theta 45 traders for April 10, 2023 for Mullen Automotive Incorporated. Mullen Automotive Incorporated has a 33% probability of closing between $0.0942 and $0.1022, and a 77% probability of closing between $0.0905 and $0.1064. The recommended buy price for Mullen on April 10, 2023 is $0.0868. Over the last 16 trading days, the closing stock price of Mullen has been trending at a daily rate of negative 2.89%, and within a volatility range between minus 19.84% and 17.51%. Theta 45's Monte Carlo simulation for the next 16 trading days shows that Mullen's stock price could be between 7 cents and 9 cents. Daily volatility shows the percentage difference between that day's high and low, showing the maximum gain or loss you would have made if you had closed your position on the same trading day. Over the last 16 trading days, the average daily high-low was 13.87%, with an average volatility between 7.19% and 20.55%. Don't miss another Theta 45 forecast and buy price recommendation. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. And download Theta 45 on your mobile device and try our free demo. In this episode, let's talk about the best model to predict the next closing price, according to NASDAQ. Combine the science of probability with the power of real-time AI to predict the next closing price with Theta 45, allowing traders to buy low and sell high with confidence. Imagine you are taking a walk with your eyes closed and you have no idea where you are going. Every time you take a step forward, you take a step in a completely random direction. A random walk is a way of describing something that moves randomly or unpredictably over time. Let us divide all the possible directions you can take into sectors. In a system that is truly random, each step offers an equal likelihood of traveling in any direction. As a result, over multiple steps, you would find yourself not having strayed far from your original position. Put differently, there is zero drift in such a system, which makes it impossible to predict the direction of your random movement. However, we can estimate your chances of ending up in certain sectors. For instance, you have a 1 in 9 chance of ending up within the central sector, a 3 in 9 chance of ending within the 3 central sectors combined, and so forth. All we can say with absolute certainty is that you will end up somewhere within all the sectors combined. While the stock price may appear to fluctuate randomly, it actually depends on the sentiment of the market for the underlying asset. And if the sentiment remains the same, the stock price will exhibit a drift over time. Theta 45 bases its forecast using the closing price over the last 16 to 256 trading days. By default, Theta 45 uses the last 64 trading days. To create a probability distribution function, Theta 45 counts the number of times the price closed within a particular sector during the forecast period. Theta 45 adjusts the angles of each sector to reflect the actual probability function for each stock in our database. The probability of the stock price closing within each combined sector is shown in the odds screen, in blue. The actual odds of the stock price closing within a sector is used to calculate the drift of the price over the forecast period. But Theta 45's random walk with drift model can go beyond just predicting the closing price for the next trading day. The same probability function can be used to forecast the stock price for the next 16 to 256 trading days in the future. Download the app on your mobile device to run an unlimited number of stock price forecasts using Theta 45.